Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today's Garifuna lesson. We're taking a look at homographs. First up, Duru. Duru stands for crime.
Hanemeti duru le. In English, it's a violent crime.
Well, we also have Duru. Duru. And that stands for measles.
Gibeti duru luagu ligibu. There are a lot of measles on his face.
Next, we have Duru. Duru. Durut, which means thick.
Durutu adulu. The lab is thick.
Next, Funa. Funa, which means ripe.
Funa manguto. The mango is ripe.
Next, Funa. Funa, which is the same, which also means red.
Funatu garadato. The color of the book is red.
Next, we have Funa. Funa, which means perhaps or maybe.
Ieri funasa. Perhaps it's a male.
So, revision once again. We have Funa, which means ripe, and it also means red. Funa. And then we have Funa. Funa, which means perhaps or maybe. Next, we have Gala. Gala, which means not empty or having content.
Gala to gafuto. The box is full.
Then we also have Gala. Gala, which means having light complexion.
Galatu rahuto. She has a light complexion.
Revision, we only have two. So, Gala, which means not empty or having content, and Gala, which means having light complexion. Next, we have Gien. Gien, which means from.
Muna da gian tiabi rahuto. She is coming from her house.
We also have Gien. Gien, which means also or to.
He said gienu. I also like it.
So Gien is from and Gien is also or to. Next we have Hama. Hama, which means with them.
Kemo hama. Let's go with them.
We also have Hama. Hama, which means fly.
Hama yalifu. The pelican flies.
So Hama, which is with them, and Hama, which is fly. Last, we have Hara. Hara, which is they or them.
Cheluhaya hara aguyu. They arrived home safely.
Next, we have Hara. Hara, which is my dear. And last, we also have Hara. Hara, which is very hot, like Harati. Harat.
Harati weyuya. It is very hot here.